Welcome to Home Tour Tuesday. Today we are exploring 6 Nina Place, Brampton, which is in Fletcher's Meadow area. Hello, namaste. This is Jasmine Noronha from Royal Epic Signature Realty. आशा है कि आप लोगों को ये tour पसंद आएगा. This stunning detached two-story home priced at $1,320,000 offers 5 spacious bedroom, 4 bath and a versatile 9+1 room layout. The lot size is almost 60 foot with over 2,500 square feet of living space. This home is perfect for both relaxation and entertainment. Join us as we take you through this beautiful interiors, meticulously landscaped exterior and a fully finished basement, an entertainer's dream. This has a double car garage, and as I said, it is on 60-foot lot, so the lot goes from there till there. It's fully bricked. It's a 2-story home, and they have extended the driveway so you can have additional cars, so there is no sidewalk like how those people have. And this is the entry of the home. It's a double door entry with inserts, beautiful. You can also have this place covered if at all you want. And this is the way to the backyard. It's a beautiful backyard. Let me take you quickly. So this is their backyard. They have like a covered porch. I don't know what tree this is, but yes, I will be showing you this from within. So here they have extended patio. As I said, it is fully bricked home. Good space for your gardening, and they have a shed here as well. This is having a double door entry, and let's get into the house. This is a beautiful foyer. As you enter, you have a closet here. And you can have a good sitting space. And over here, we have a living room and a view to the front of the house and also the driveway. And this is the spiral staircase to go up to the second floor to your bedrooms. We will go there, but here let me show you the main level. So over here we have the dining room area. It's a formal dining room with a good bright window, and on this side, that's the entry to the garage, and here we have an entry to the basement, and this is a powder room. You can see here. Now to the soul of the house, as they call the kitchen. Happy tummy, happy me. So this is a granite counter. It has beautiful cabinets which are clean. It has a gas fireplace. They have a backsplash and a nice sink, clean dishwasher here, and in good counter space. And this is your breakfast area, and which overlooks the backyard as well as the family room. So this is a good sized family room where you can, the fireplace is here and you can have your TV mounted there if that is what you want on the main level. And if you see from here, this, you do not have to buy any gazebo or anything. They have done it beautifully. They have a shed. You just need to come, unwind here. Summer is still there, folks. So if you want a good deal, Brampton properties are on sale. They have a good size pantry. If you can see here, it's a good size. Take you to the second floor. So as I said, this is a spiral staircase. If you do not like the carpet, you can always change it to the oak stairs. And also the second floor has all carpet. Again, a good investment if you want to. You can just change the flooring. Now, another plus point what I want to show you is a laundry area over here on the second floor. Many families love to have. This is one of the feature I always get, that they want a laundry room on the second floor. This is the 5th bedroom, I would say. We are going from, so this has a good space. It could fit in a nice queen size bed, and over here you have the closet. That's another bedroom. Again, a closet there overlooking the backyard. That's the backyard. It's all a family oriented area, safe place. A common washroom here with the, it's called as 4-piece washroom. Look at the staircase. Isn't that beautiful? I always fall in love with the spiral staircase. So this is the 3rd bedroom. Again, you could fit in a queen over here if you wish to. And there's a study table there. And also there's a closet over here. And this is the 4th smaller bedroom, but this can be a bedroom also, it can be your office. And yes, they have used the space as an office. It has a cathedral ceiling over here, if you can see. Let me show you what I mean by cathedral ceiling. So look over here. So this space is like, they have a higher ceiling, and this is what they have put over here. Look out, they have a closet over here, so this can be converted into another bedroom if you wish, but you can use it as an office as well. And now we are entering the prime bedroom of this house, which is a huge bedroom. You can have a king bed if you wish. There is where you can just unwind, read a book, have a coffee, overlook in front. And then there is more space over here where maybe you can have a chest, your dresser, or another small almar. And here, my friends, it's a his and hers closet. It's a 3-door closet. And this is the ensuite washroom. It has a granite counter here. So this is a 5-piece washroom. So what I mean by 5-piece washroom is 5 tap connections. So you have one over here, one over here, 2, 3, then you have 4 and 5. So that is how we call 5-piece washroom. So this has a nice counter vanity. It has a soaking tub here. Of course, a toilet, lonely toilet, and this is the shower. And it is a big size shower. It has a glass door, so clear glass door. So it's good. So no matter what size you are, you will be able to get in. Now let me take you to the basement. Here's the entry to the basement. Good wood staircase. This is what you can do for the stairs that are going upstairs. Second floor. Here they have done a small gym area. You can use it for whatever you want. They have put a pool table, and there is a space for counter space for kitchen or whatever you want to. This is a utility room where your furnace, water heater, everything will be over here. And we enter the entertainer's dream. This is a wet bar. Look at this, how beautiful it is. Can you see it? Beautiful wet bar. It has a nice space. So it looks right through the area where you can have, this place is wired with sound system. So you come and just hook in your home theater. And yes, this is what we have in the basement. And they have another 3-piece washroom here. This is the 2-car garage that they have. I hope you enjoyed the tour, and if you have any inquiry about this house, give me a call or just message me or leave a comment here. Tell me, how do you like this tour? Bye for now.